Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to give you guys a quick tutorial on how to make a Pro Mist filter-like effect in Premiere Pro. So here's a clip that I literally just took. It's just basic, nothing crazy, so let's get right into it. First off, we're going to click Option on our keyboard and we're going to drag up to duplicate the clip. I'm going to turn off that bottom layer, and now we are going to go into the effects. I'm going to type in and look up Luma key. Okay, we're going to add that to the top layer. Now we just want to adjust the cutoff for the brightest parts of the image. So I'm going to click and drag until it's just the brightest parts. All right, now that that's done, I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to look up a Gaussian blur. Let's see, there it is. Put that on top. Now we're going to go down to the effect and we're just going to, first off, you want to go ahead and click the eye and put it back on for the bottom clip so we can see what we're doing here. So now you just want to turn the blurriness up. And you see how it affects that right there? Just right up there in the top. And it makes it look, I guess, cinematic. A lot of people like it. And that's that. That is super simple. I mean, it's really easy. This might not be the best clip for you to use this on, but you can use this on a number of clips and get really good results. Let's just watch it through. Let's go ahead and render it out and then we'll watch it through. Okay, never mind, that's taking forever. So I'm gonna put it at quarter and just play it through. And it just gives it that dreamy look. And I mean, this isn't that great of a shot, but just for the purpose of the tutorial, that's that. I hope you guys learned a lot from this one. It's a super easy effect to do. Thank you guys so much. Peace out.